Our core business at Pôle Mer Bretagne Atlantique is to encourage and support innovation. Based at Brest, we federate an ecosystem of 450 memberships, mainly made up of small size and medium size enterprise. Our workshop will relate to safety and resilience at sea. This workshop will concern safety of equipment, goods and peoples, especially in new sailing areas, such as improving the strength of structures, naval maintenance, the integration of the human factor, improving sea routing and improving rescue at sea. It will also concern collision detection and avoidance with unidentified objects such as floating objects and marine mammals. Come and meet us at SeaTech Week from 15 to 17 October in Brest, an international event you can't miss.